Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to quickly come on and share how I make these paper dresses that G Kerr, and I'll have her link down below. She shows how to fold these origami dresses, and she does a great job. But I was asked if I could demonstrate how I fold them myself, um, and I said okay. so um, so in G's video, she said that you could make this in any size. Now, my first two that I made, they're a lot bigger, and she suggests to start off with an 8x8 piece of paper. Now I'm going to demonstrate on a 4x4 because I'm making some little paper ones, paper clip ones. So this is an 8x8 size paper, and it's just by copy paper. And then this one is from a 6x6 cardstock, and I have to say that these were harder to fold because they are thicker, but you could still do them. You can still fold them, but they were just they're not as flexible as a thinner sheet. This is more of just, I don't know, it's almost the same weight as the copy paper. So I've made, this is a 4x4 square and a 3x3, and I'll show you that right here. This is a 3x3, which is super adorable, and then here is the 4x4. So let me start. Hopefully I'll do this, you know. So somebody had asked me to demonstrate this, so if I do not do a good enough job, go to G's video and I'll post it below. So with the square, you're going to fold it in half. It doesn't have to be, well, I mean, you should be exact, and I think I cut that a little crooked. As you can see, I'm gonna try to do my best. Okay. So this is not a double-sided paper. So it's from the Paper Studio. So this is a tip, I guess. Was this a double-sided? No. This is double-sided, but you can't really tell that it's double-sided. But you're going to want to fold the paper. Like, I think G was using coffee paper, which, you know, your coffee paper is double-sided, so you really don't care of what pattern shows on either side. But in this case, I want this pattern showing out like this. Okay. You're going to open it after you fold it in half. You want to open it up, and you want to fold both sides into the center. Okay. So I'm going to try and do this on camera. I'm not very good at it, but I think I've done my paper purses that I made. So you want to fold that in half to the center line, and you're going to do that to the same on the other side. And I think you want to butt up to the center. I'm going to use my bone folder. Okay. Then you're going to open it up, and you're going to turn it this side. Then you want to line up this crease line and you're going to fold it over to the center of the paper. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. So what I like to do is put my fingers in the center of this rectangle, and I push this corner to the center of my paper. And I find that works the easiest for me. And then I just go down with my thumb and I crease it. Okay, I turn it, I'm right-handed, so if you're left-handed, you probably could do it this side better. But since I'm right-handed, I do things better on my right side. So same thing, I put my fingers in the center of the rectangle, and I place the center of the paper in the center, as close as I can get it, and then crease, and then I kind of use my thumb. Okay, so this is going to be the front of your dress. Okay, now you're going to fold this paper in half. Okay. Okay. Then you're going to open it up on the pattern side of your dress. I think G said to fold the center line up 1/4 of an inch. And I like to pinch it. You know, it's the easy way for me to do it. And then crease it. And then you get something like that. Okay. You're going to turn it over. Okay. You're going to fold this corner of this piece over to the center, and you're going to make a triangle. Okay. And this is just to make the crease. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, very easy. And then crease. Okay, then you're going to open it up. Okay, this is tricky because you're going to have to open. Hold on. Okay, so you're going to open this up. What I like to do is I kind of pinch it a little bit, and it kind of folds on its own into a triangle. Okay. Okay. Then you're going to take this corner and you're going to fold this corner to this crease here. This corner to this crease. And you're going to fold it into a triangle. Okay? And then you're going to do it the same thing on the other side. That will make the collar of your dress. Okay? Then from there, you're going to take this, you're going to turn it over to the pattern of your dress. I hold the center of the paper, and then I pull on this corner, okay, and it's going to move. It's what you want it to do, and I press it down and I crease it. crease, crease. Okay, and you're going to do it the same way on this side. I hold the center, I pull on, I kind of get over inside, and it's easier, and then you just crease it up and you crease it down so it kind of flares the dress a little bit. I'm going to turn it over. Almost done. We're going to fold this rectangle here. I'm going to show you up close. This rectangle here, you're going to fold it over to this flap here. Okay. Maybe I should bring it down a little bit more so you can see it better. Okay. And then this part, I leave it like this, and I kind of let it fold on its own. Oopsie, sorry. This part here, I let it fold on its own to the corner. Sometimes it doesn't look perfect, but that's okay. And you're going to do it the same way on this side. I'm going to fold this rectangle all the way to that crease there. Fold that down. You're going to take this one. Oh shoot, sorry. And you're going to fold it down. It looks something like this. Okay. Then go ahead and I crease as I go. You're almost done with the dress. Lastly, you're going to make the sleeves of the dress, and it's right here. You're going to take this corner and you're going to fold it down all the way to that corner of the piece of paper and crease. Okay, and then the same thing on this side. You're going to take this corner and you take it to, oopsie, I'm not doing it right. Oops, I'm off camera. That kind of looks like that. It's like long triangles and long triangles here. And then you turn it over and you have your dress. Isn't that the cutest dress ever? And you could add a belt, you could add lace, you could add lace on the bottom. She had such great ideas on her channel or on her video. I just had to start making them. So I think I gave a little bit of tips and tricks because I've been making quite a bit of them and how I did them. I hope you guys will go and try them out. They're really simple once you get the hang of it. If you want to do it on an 8x8 sheet of paper, you know, just to get the feel of it, that's what I did, and here I am doing 4x4 sheets of paper. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by. Have a great Wednesday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.